So this video is very short. We're going to Go Place. Go Place is like a Asian spa. Very nice. Very nice. So I'm just waiting for me to be done flexing in the mirror. So this is Go Place right now. I think they have more than one location, but this is the location I went to. I highly recommend it. It's not really that expensive. I would say without any massage or anything like that, it's $70 to get in and then plus 12% on whatever else you get. And you can use all the amenities. And it's just, it's just class personified. Very classy, very nice. I recommend this a lot too, especially in this country, especially in the winter time, because I think last week we had 2 weeks of no sunshine. No sunshine for I think over 2 weeks. So that really can mess with your mind. So this is really a good idea to go relax, get your mind on something different. Take your mind off of bills and work. So this is upstairs, so you have to take off your shoes. Then they give you a locker. They give you a bracelet. Well, they give you the bracelet downstairs, and then they give you a locker where you leave your shoes and your socks in. And then you go into either the female area or the male area. Then you'll give you get an outfit, and you can get slippers at a cost, or you can just walk around barefoot. The place is immaculate, so I just walked around barefoot. Yeah, so I'm giving you guys some hidden videos. So bear with me. The videos are not going to be perfect because these are areas you're not really supposed to be videoing in. I'm just trying to give you guys an idea of what the inside of Go Place looks like. There's a common area where you can video, but these areas no. So that's why the video is kind of, not straight. I'm rocking side to side because I'm not really supposed to be videoing. So yeah, that's the desk where you can get your outfit, your slippers, yeah. And he walks you to your locker. And it's pretty cool too. You use your bracelet to open the locker. So this area is like the jacuzzi area, pool, sauna, cold shower. Very nice, very relaxing. Showers. When you leave here, you're clean. They provide toothpaste, toothbrush. You could shave. Oh man, I need to lose some weight. That side is not a good sight. So tick. That's the next thing about this country. Wintertime, you're lazy to go to the gym and do anything. It's so cold outside. That's inside the shower right there. If you're going there, make sure you walk your own shorts to go in the jacuzzi. You can go in naked, but I don't think so. I bring my own shirts. A lot of the older guys, the older man, they go commando, but no, I'm not ready to go commando. So right here, area where you can use blow dryer, groom yourself, cologne, a lot of different stuff. So there I am using the blow dryer. They got a nice one too, Dyson. Yeah. I think it's money well spent and it's not overpriced. If you're going with two people, I would say put aside like 4 bills just to be on the safe side. You most likely won't spend that much if you're not getting any massage. If you're just coming to use the sauna and the different rooms, the hot tubs and all of that, then you won't reach that amount. You won't pass 400. You might be like in the 300 range, but just to be on the safe side. Upstairs is where they do the massages upstairs. I didn't get a massage this time. I didn't really need it. Plus, I have a plan where I can get massages that my plan covers, So, yeah, beautiful facilities, very clean. And you can stay there 24 hours. You could even sleep there. Food is great. It's made to order. Um, I think this is my third time going there. There's a pool area. We can play pool. There's a gym over there. But who goes to the gym when they're here to relax? And it's very family orientated. Yeah, very family orientated. So here's one of this on the right is where you can do like artificial tanning. Um, yeah, you can just get a seat with your laptop, put your towels down, and just sleep, relax. This place is amazing. 10 out of 10. So right here, this is the sleep. It's like a movie room, but most people go in there to sleep. Yeah, I fell asleep in there as well after a while. I know you guys can probably hear my voice. I'm under the weather, I'm trying to fight this cold or flu. I don't even know, but I feel like the shivers. When you feel cold? And I've been trying to fight it with some Vicks candy and Hall's candy mix. I took a Tylenol complete daytime and nighttime. I have some Neocitrin in the tea. I'm gonna try some of that today. So I need to I need to fight this, man. I have a flight in a couple hours. So yeah, this is the when you're in the restaurant, they give you an iPad to order, and you just enter your bracelet number and your table number. So that's how they know who it belongs to and who to bill. I always like Asian food. Very nice, very presentable, very clean, it's not messy looking. Yeah, I'm just a big foodie in general anyway, but not ending anything I'll eat though for sure. I like my food to look a certain way, presentable, appetizing, because I eat with my eyes. Like if my eyes is not feeling it, forget about it. My mouth is not gonna touch it. Their dessert menu, nah, they gotta work on that. Their dessert menu, you know, they need some more options for dessert. Yeah, nah. Ice cream with strawberry. I got what this is called. It's like has milk tea, brown sugar. It's kind of sweet. Then I had poppin' boba and coconut. Yeah, I like this machine here. It goes around with like dessert and stuff. Like fruits and vegetables, appetizers. You can help yourself. Yeah, this place is really nice. Last time I was here too was 2021, I think. 22. Came here for my birthday. It was nice. It was very nice. Yeah, I highly recommend this place. Yeah, I love this chandelier too. Place is just classy. And you could go with someone or go by yourself, You're feeling stressed out, you want to relax. You want to be away from people, you bring your laptop, your phone, and you just go relax. Go relax. So this is when I'm leaving. So these stairs are very nice. And at the bottom, they'll take your bracelet and then they'll scan it and then they'll give you your bill. And then you can pay debit or credit. And then they give you a key on the right and you swipe your key to get out. And when you go downstairs, they have like cookies and like lemon water. It's just first class all the way. First class all the way.